How many hours sleep does one need daily to be successful, healthy, wealthy, and happy? That's a very tricky question. If you Google it on the net, you would find varied levels of sleep. You would find somebody saying 4 hours, someone saying 6, 8, and so on. The sleep scientists, there are now neuroscientists who've been working on sleep. Some like Professor Matthew Walker, Dr. Matthew Bruce. These people have spent 17 to 20 years researching sleep, and there's now an incontrovertible evidence to show that 7 to 9 hours is what an adult needs. A healthy adult requires 7 to 9 hours to stay healthy, to be productive, to have the right emotions, to have the right immunity, and to be able to produce more at work, to be more effective at work, better memory, better decision-making skills. All of this can happen if you've given your body the rest it deserves. Once you take away from this, as you remove this, the reserves start dwindling, and then very soon you find that you're driving on empty, and that becomes a fatal direction, because sooner or later you're going to grind yourself down to a halt. And so it's important that you are conscious and mindful of what your body requires. What time are you feeling right to sleep, go to sleep, and what time can you wake up without even an alarm? So once you are able to get that right quantity of sleep, and then you work on the quality of your sleep, with this right quantity and the right quality, you can conquer any peak that you're going after, because you have the energy, you have the resources. Your body is working in its zone, in its optimum zone, and that is the best way one can lead life fully and completely, and not just pursue one direction, which is more hours at work. More hours at work does not mean better quality or better productivity at work. Your decision-making skills could have been impaired, your immunity may be impaired, your health may be impaired, suddenly you will be put out of commission for some time, and that would have far more terrible consequences than just getting that additional 1 hour of sleep or 2 hours of sleep that you're trying to steal away. So follow my blog articles. It's www.ignatiusrafael.com, and you could sign up for one of the courses that I'm conducting. I'm a sleep coach. I want people to get the best benefit of this most powerful tool that our Creator has given us to repair and rejuvenate us and prepare us for the next day, so that we are like reborn the next day. We have all the energy, all the freshness for us to be able to put our fullest into the initiatives that we are pursuing. So lead a fantastic life. Wish you a fabulous sleep tonight and every night. Thanks for watching. Press like, press subscribe. Look forward to seeing you soon. Bye bye. Take care.